Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install Actions and Stuff 1.11 for Minecraft Bedrock. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to Marketplace, then on search you just need to write Actions and Stuff, right? Then you should see Actions and Stuff 1.11. You just need to click on it. Then you need to get it. So you can get with coins or you can get with a marketplace pass. Once you get that particular pass or you bought Actions and Stuff, then here download content will pop up, and then content will be downloaded. And after content is downloaded, you just need to activate the button will be here that says activate resource pack. And after you activate it, then you can check it if it's activated or not on settings. Here, global resources, active, and then here should be actions and stuff, okay? And if it's active, then you can just play a game and your resource pack will be activated. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.